Hello you guys, welcome back. I have been getting a lot of questions recently about a skincare routine, so I just wanted to really quickly do like a get unready with me. My skincare routine is pretty minimal, but I do have some staples that I continuously use. My favorite type of makeup wipe that I like to use are these ones by Shea Moisture. They use 100% coconut oil, they are vegan, cruelty-free, biodegradable, all that good stuff. So yeah, these are my absolute favorite makeup wipes to use. I always just start out with these, removing my makeup as good as I can. I don't like to tug on my eyelids too much when I wear a lot of eye makeup, so I'll just add some additional eye makeup remover to the makeup wipe. And this eye makeup remover that I'm using is from Ulta. I do like using some type of like charcoal clarifying, pore minimizing mask. The first one I'm showing is from Glam. The one I'm actually going to be using today is by Boscia, so it is their charcoal pore pudding. I don't even put it all over my face. It is just like a really thick consistency. I put it everywhere that I feel like if I have larger pores. I leave that on for 15 minutes and then just wash that off. And then I will take the Avocado mask by Glow Recipe. You can leave this on overnight, like as a thin layer to soak into the skin. I just like putting like a little more than a thin layer on and doing it as a mask just to add some extra moisture back into my skin. And then I let that sit for 15 minutes, not 51 minutes. And then I'll just take the little spatula and scrape the extra off before I wash my face again. If I do have any breakouts or problem areas, I will take this Rapid Clear by Neutrogena. It is like an acne spot treatment. So I'll just take the tiniest bit on a Q-tip and then rub that in on wherever my blemish or problem area is. And my favorite part of my skincare routine is my Skin Inc custom serums. So you can see I have 3 bottles. I have the pink one, which is a old custom serum. The yellow one, which is the Daily Dose of Glow, which is well loved and almost empty basically. And then the third one is empty. I just have these 3 that I need to put into this bottle. So my new 3 ingredients are vitamin A, which is the first one that I'm using. So this is good for reducing dark circles. So I'll start by concentrating that under my eye, and then any leftover blend it out onto the rest of my face. The second one I'm using is Chlorella. So this is good for improving dullness in your skin, any dark spots, and then for me it really helps with like dry under eyes. And this third one that I'm adding is French pine bark. This is really good for reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I'll concentrate this product like corner of my eyes, my smile lines, in between my eyebrows where aging and fine lines tend to start first, and then any excess product I'll blend that out from there. The best part about these serums is that they are custom to your skin, so I'll leave a link down below, but basically you'll go take a test and they'll find out like your skin concerns or your skin needs, and they will custom create a serum and give you like 3 ingredients that you should be including in your bottle. But yeah, after all of that, I will just throw some chapstick on and then I will head to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!